Hey everyone, this is CopperCarver, and today we're taking a look at the FIFINE BM88 Pro low-profile RGB microphone arm. If you're looking for a microphone arm that it not only helps clean up your desk setup, but also adds a bit of style with built-in RGB lighting, then this might be worth checking out. The BM88 Pro, a low-profile design that helps keep your monitor view clear while still allowing you to position your microphone exactly where you need it, is great, guys. These low profile arms are so clean, and I love that it includes built-in cable management to help keep your setup looking clean and organized, along with the RGB lighting that adds a unique touch to your workspace. Whether you're a streamer, content creator, podcaster, gamer, or someone who spends a lot of time in online meetings, having a good microphone arm can make a huge difference in both comfort and desk organization. In this video, we're going to take a look at everything that comes in the box, walk through the assembly process, get it mounted on the desk, and then share my overall thoughts after spending some time with it. So with that said, let's get into the unboxing process. All right, so we have the FIFINE BM88 Pro. Guys, they sent me their modern mic arm a couple months ago, and one of my first things I said to them was, I love it, but does it come in RGB? And they said we would love for that to happen soon. And what do you know? Here's the modern arm in RGB. Thank you so much, FIFINE. But you know what? Let's just go ahead and open this up and check it out. Okay. No tape. All right. Confident. And right here we have it. I'm trying to pull this open. There we go. So here we go, everything right here. Of course, on the top, we have the user manual that goes over everything, how to connect it to the different heads, how to clamp it onto the desk, the RGB colors. But I just want to get straight into this, okay? So first thing is it looks like we have a USB-A to USB-C cord. This, of course, would be for powering the arm, so that is nice. Right here, looks like we come with some tools, an Allen wrench, a metal washer for our base installation. So that is nice. Right here, ooh, looks like we have the little ball joint to hold your mic. So that is nice. And right here, looks like we have the clamp for the desk. So that is nice. It's so heavy. Feels like it'd be really secure. And then we have the mic arm itself. Here we go. Take a look at that. Wow. All right. Looks really nice. Under here is for the cord. So I can connect it right here. There is the USB-C hole. And to lock and unlock it, you simply slide it. And the cord goes through there. So that is nice. So to lock it, I put it back here. Make sure it's in the slots, and then I should just push it to lock it. And there it goes. It has the same thing for this side. And then you can see, now it's really tight right now. I would loosen it up, but you can tighten it to go up and down as well. And right here, looks like this goes on here. Of course, I would open it up and put it on there. But you know what? Let's just plug it up real quick with this little battery pack I have and just look at some of the RGB lighting effects. And then let's just go ahead and plug it in. Boop, plugged in. Straight to rainbow mode. Let me dim it a bit so y'all can see it better. And right here, look at that. And it even acts as one. You see how it rotates here and goes to here? That is nice. I wonder if you can actually change the colors with a button. Yes, you can. So there is a button on top. I'm gonna press it. Okay. Oh, so it's not a button, it's just a touch. So I'm just gonna press it a couple times to cycle through different colors. Wow. It is looking really good and clear. Oh, it has stacking. That's cool. This looks like a fade. Okay. That is awesome. Let me get these lights back on real quick, guys. I'm absolutely loving this. Let me go ahead and get it clamped up on the desk and y'all get a closer look of what it looks like. I realized I haven't even shown you where I want to put it. I absolutely love my desk setup. I think I'm going to put it over here on the left side. Normally I have a cup / headset holder over here, but for the video, I'm going to try it in this spot because I think it'd be a good representation. Yeah, guys, I honestly love how clean this is. For me personally, it kind of gets in the way of my little iPhone charger here, so I'll probably do some adjustments, but I love how clean it is, and it doesn't look cheap with the springs and everything like that. It holds the FIFINE mic that I do have, and it matches with the RGB as well. I think that this is a great find and a great find. Haha. The cheesy dad joke. But anyways, guys, I'm pretty sure that this is also going to be on sale for Prime Days coming up. Even if not, I think it's worth the price. But anyways, guys, this has been CopperCarver. I appreciate you coming by. Please like, share, and subscribe.